Hello everyone. So here on the piece of a cardboard I will draw a roughly shape of a flower. It doesn't matter if the petals are equal or not. I'm just drawing simply. If you want to cut the edges proper shape, you can draw it on the paper first, then put it on the cardboard to cut it according to the paper. And here I have cut almost 4 pieces because my cardboard piece is thick. If your cardboard is not thick, you have to cut almost 8 pieces of cardboard of the same size, and then I will stick them together with white glue. I will stick the other piece over it and then I will put it under the weight, so each part will stick together and it don't move. Like this I will put the weight. And here I will cut some pieces of the cardboard. The height will be 5 centimeter. I will cut those pieces. Here you will see what I am going to do to make the cardboard, the petal, the flowers thick piece. I will stick these cardboard pieces over it like this to make it thick enough to carry the weight. And some people think that this is cardboard furniture and it will not work long lasting or those things, but of course I will not waste my time for making these stuffs like this because I'm using them at my home. And here, after putting all these pieces together, I will stick the rest of the 4 pieces of cardboard over it like this. Okay, this one is 63 centimeter, is going to be the leg for the table, or you can say the branch of the flower. So I'm making it wet little bit with wet fabric, so it will be turn or roll easily while it's wet. We need actually 63 centimeter, 3 pieces cardboard. This one is the first one. After this I will use the second and the third also around the same piece. Stick it with the tape first. Then this is going to be the second piece. I will apply some white glue. And then I will roll it around this first one. One more thing guys, that some people think that this cardboard furniture is not worth it, doesn't work. And it is very common sense that I will not waste all these glues, cardboard, or my time or even my energy for making these stuffs if they are not worthy, because I am using them at my home and I'm even gifting them to my people as well. Anyway, this one is going to be the second part, the lower part, which is, you can say, grass, where the land piece of the grass or something. Cut it also, and these pieces also we need almost 8 or 10 pieces. Make a hole according to the leg we made here, and you can see they are stick and they are thick pieces also. The same procedure I did with the first part to make it thick, the same thing I will do in here as well. Here you can see this one is the lower part, this one is the flower, and for the sides to cover them I'm using 6 centimeter white cardboard piece to cover the sides like this. Now take some hot glue, put it here inside the hole to stick the leg inside. Here it's done, and it's very heavy. If you will do it with the thick pieces of cardboard and many pieces of the cardboard for one layer, you will notice by yourself that how hard or how heavy they are, even if they are cardboard furniture. And here I will draw the shape again for the leg. I didn't make the hole here for the flower. If you want, you can make the hole even, but I will use just like this, or maybe the hole will be better. Apply some white glue and hot glue together. For my things, I mostly use together both of these, hot glue and white glue. And then you need to cover them with other pieces of cardboard as well. If you think your leg is still moving, you can make some pieces like this with the cut shape of leg and stick it for the grip or for the support. These things I do in almost my old furniture cardboard. Here it is how it looks after finishing. Now you will need some white glue and some tissues. You can cover the lower part, the leg and the bottom with tissues, but I will just cover the edges. Here you can see I just covered the edges. Now I will draw some shape of petals or the center part, just for myself to understand where I'm going to color. Well, I'm just drawing roughly some petals and defining them, but if you want, you can first cut the flower on the paper and then put it over the cardboard to cut the cardboard according to the flower you made for the proper shape of petals. But for me it's fine just like this. And here I will take red color acrylic paint, and like this I will draw. If you want, you can draw paint in any color you want or any style you want to make of the flower, but for me I'm just doing it roughly. Sorry for that if some people doesn't like it. And I want to say, if you guys want to join me on my Facebook, it's the Facebook page with the same name of my channel, Craft with Creativity. Come join me and you can ask me or request me or give me ideas to make some other stuff what you like to watch. Okay, anyway, the same thing I did on top, on the sides also I will draw like this. I will paint like this as well. Okay, now I put some white acrylic paint inside the red as well, just to give it a little bit pinkish, soft pink color like this. Here I have a dark maroon color for the center. Okay, with the same maroon color, I will draw on the sides of the petals like this and just blend them together. I'm doing all this work while all colors are wet, so I will blend them together. Easy to blend. Actually, I'm holding my camera as well and I'm working. Sorry if the camera is shaking, you feel. Here you can see how I blend it. Like this. Okay, for the bottom part I will use green acrylic paint. You can use different shades of green, dark or light color as well, whatever is available. Here you can see it's still light, so I will keep applying the color until I get the dark shade of green. Here it's done. And with the light color of green you can just give some shades of grass like this, or the different shade of green, whatever, like this. Now I will take a white color acrylic paint and I will draw some flowers on the bottom. It's like some small tiny flowers are growing on the ground. This is actually the piece of ground or grass. Here just with my finger I am drawing some flowers. And here if you want on red color you can just roughly with your finger you can give some more dark shade of green, red, like this for the petals. Like this you can see. I don't know how to explain, but hope you understand. And I hope you like the video. Please give me thumbs up, and soon I'm going to make a trunk from cardboard as well. Keep watching. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like if you like. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.